Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about smooth low portion SLP coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price situation. Guys, you know what guys, you already know about that the price of the SLP coin is very badly dumps, very badly decreased. So what's the reason behind it? Why the price of SLP coin decrease? Why guys? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about smooth low portion about SLP coin. Let's start the video and let's go ahead. Guys, you can see here that is the last 3 days price chart, negative 8.77%. 8% the price decrease in the last 3 days. And just look here guys, if you look the price chart of the smooth low portion, so at this time the price decreased gradually, the price decreased, but on this time on 25 August yesterday, as I show you guys that now you can see guys at this time yesterday the price taken a quick pump, a really good pump occurred in the smooth low portion, but unfortunately today live the changes is going wrong guys. And you know what guys, why the changes is going wrong, why the changes become negative? That's only one reason guys. It is the last of month. Today is 26 August. So guys, due to these changes at the last of month, a lot of short-term investors decide to sell. A lot of people decide to sell. So that's why guys, the price of the SLP coin becomes low. The price changes becomes negative. But you know what guys, this dumps will continue for a few days, and after a few days the price changes, the price again start pumping. So don't take it serious guys, that is a temporary changes. Don't take it serious, hold for a long time. Absolutely, just look here guys, from this pump, absolutely SLP coin is a profitable coin. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.